What is Pu in Chinese? To abide by the original aspiration. What is Zhao in Chinese? Perseverance. We constantly develop innovative products based on perseverance. We will keep pace with the changes of the times and the industry. Be stable and far-reaching. PUZHUO Automation Equipment Company Limited is located in the Yangtze River Delta region and is dedicated to solving various feeding problems in the field of automation by integrating R&D, manufacturing, and service. After years of continuous efforts, we have set up Shanghai R&D Center and 3 manufacturing plants in Shanghai and Liaoning Province, growing a R&D and manufacturing team of more than 100 people. Automation, unmanned, and high-speed industrial revolution is flourishing. How to realize automated manufacturing? The first step is to solve the automatic feeding of materials. PUZHUO Automation integrates industry-leading R&D and manufacturing technologies with pharmaceutical, automotive, and 3C industries in depth. Aiming at the specialized field of automatic feeding, we focus on vibratory feeding system, centrifugal feeding system, combined feeding system, and other products. PUZHUO efforts on achieving the high efficiency and high quality manufacturing automation for our customers. Since PUZHUO was founded, tens of thousands of automatic feeding systems have been delivered to customers around the world, and more than 30 patents have been obtained. PUZHUO Automation, with innovation as the core, will never stop developing in synergy with our partners. We can provide all-round technical support from the advanced design stage to after-sales services. Our industry experience and material feeding solution technology can help you shorten the design cycle of the entire product line and help you achieve cost control. Flexible manufacturing is applying in order to meet with our customers' production line change over flexibility. We have established technical documentation for each set of delivered products, a large amount of data reserves, just to make your use worry-free. Exploring the unknown in R&D, pursuing the ultimate in manufacturing, and achieving the mission in service. PUZHUO Automation, with the technology power and innovation spiriting, with high standards over the entire process of R&D, manufacturing, and service, making our products your firm choice. In recent years, China health industry has been booming. PUZHUO Automation is aiming at the new situation of pharmaceutical industry with the dual drive of technology plus service, showing the innovation of Chinese design and the strength of Chinese manufacturing. Since the COVID-19 pandemic, almost all the feeding systems applied in Chinese vaccine industry come from PUZHUO. At present, PUZHUO Automation has an annual output of more than 2,000 sets of sorting and conveying systems, with products all over the country and even around the world, and has become a core supplier of sorting and conveying systems in the field of pharmaceutical industry applications. Hold modesty and keep honest. Walk steadily to far. PUZHUO Automation will continue to unleash innovation momentum, take advantage of the trend on the road of high-end manufacturing, and constantly rewrite the leading height of the industry. Based in China, we are working for the world.